Leet code 29, divide two integers. Given two integers, dividend and divisor, divide two integers without using multiplication, division, and mod operator. So, subtraction. The integer division should truncate towards 0, which means losing its fractional part. For example, 8.34 would be 8, so, okay. Return the quotient after dividing dividend by divisor. And we're in a 32-bit integer range, which is usually key in these. So we'll have a min equal to and a max equal to math.pound 2 to the 31 minus 1. And then let's see. If the quotient is strictly greater than 23, 1 minus 1, then return the max. And if the quotient is strictly less, then return minus. Okay, let's take care of the edge case. Dividend equals min. And divisor equals minus 1. Then we can return max. And we don't have to worry about the other way, because if it's max and goes negative, it'll be less than min, so because this ends in like an 8 and this ends in like a 7, so we only have to worry about the max edge case here. Our answer is 0. Well, our sign equaled. Okay, let's figure out our sign at the end. We should work with positive, so let's figure out the sign at the start. So if the dividend is less than 0, then the dividend is going to be negative. And then the sign is going to be the minus version. And if divisor is negative, then the divisor is going to be, so we're just making them positive here, and then we'll reverse the sign at the end. Awesome. So if either one of these is negative, then the sign's going to be negative, but if they're both negatives, it's still going to be positive. Checks out. And then these two lines make it so we work with positive strictly. We can return sign since it's going to be 1. And we want the correct positivity, positive or negative on that. Now we can loop. Okay, what are we looping through? We need a val. You need a value, right? Equal to divisor. Because we can't just like subtract 2 from 2 to the 30th. That's not going to be efficient. So we'll have a val that will increase the division rate, the subtraction rate. The dividend, our condition, while the dividend is greater than the divisor, so we haven't fully minused yet. We'll have I equal to 0, and so after, okay. So these are going to be reset, and this is going to be our main condition. Okay. Because we're going to have to do some bit manipulation. So while the value is greater than 0, and the value is less than the dividend, because this is going to be, we're going to use val for our divisor. So while val is less than the dividend, we can increase val. Using this bit shift by the value of I. Okay. That way we get the maximum value we can subtract from the dividend. And then that way dividend, we can subtract the divisor and then shift I minus 1. And then the answer is going to be equal to 1 shift I minus 1. Right, yep. And then we can return based on the sign. Minus ands, or positive and, or just regular ands. Awesome. So this way, it only runs like up to like 30-ish plus around 30-ish divisions, because maximum, so because the bit shifting shifts the bits in binary, and that doubles it, so each bit shift doubles the subtraction. Okay, and then in Python, we'll have an int max equal to 2 to the 31. And then int min equal to negative 2 to the 31. And if dividend equals int min and divisor equals minus 1, return int max. The only edge case where it overflows. Sign is going to be equal to last time we used 2 ifs in JavaScript, but if the dividend is less than 0 and it does not equal the divisor less than 0, will be the same thing. As long as they're both not, if only one of them is less than 0, it should be fine. And then to work with positives, we can just make them the absolute value. Fantastic. And then we'll have our answer. Let's see. Well, the dividend is better than the divisor. We probably should have done this in JavaScript. Well, our val and our multiple. So our vals are temporary divisor, and then our multiple will start at 1. So while the dividend is greater than equal to val, dividend we can subtract from the temp. divisor, which is val, and then our answer is going to equal the multiple, which is 1 at this time. And then we can actually bit shift our val, so that doubles. And then to count that in our answer, we can bit shift the 1 there. And both those get reset when dividend is greater than val. So we're waiting for this one to break through, and then we can we should be able to return, well, if sign. Well, this is actually going to be, what, true or false? So if it's true, that means it's negative. So ans equals minus ans. Return ans. Yeah, we need 2 equal signs here. Type in absolute correctly. Oh my gosh, big typos. Output 2, expected minus 2. Okay. Fantastic. And 16. Okay, that's not a lot of memory change. Awesome. And that's divide 2 integers without multiplication, division, and mod operator.